Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I decided to create a little Eid makeup look. I was like, why not? Eid is right around the corner. It's like, what, 15 days away? So I'm like, why not? So this is what I came up with. I like to go super all out for Eid. Why not Eid? You're supposed to go super all out. Come on, you guys. Super glam, super glitter, or whatever, etc. So that's what I did today. This is what I came up with. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. So yeah, you guys, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you guys get notified every time I do upload. And yeah, since we got that out the way, let's jump right into it. Bye guys. Again guys, so as usual, I'm starting off with the bare face. All I have on is the eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be setting that with, you can use any light shade that you have or that you like. I'm just using the Royal Affair BH Cosmetics palette, and yeah, I'm just setting that eyeshadow primer. Next, I'm going to be picking up the same palette. I'm going to be picking up this light orange and a brown color. I'm going to mix them together and build this in the crease as a transition shade. Make sure once you guys apply this shade, you guys blend it up very nicely, because we want this shade to be very blended, so it gives like a smoky kind of an effect. I'm going to be picking up a dome shaped brush like that one, and I'm going to be picking up darker brown shades, and I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eyelid, you guys, and I'm going to slowly drag it into the crease just a little bit, because I do want more dimension in my crease as well. So that's what I'm doing here. Make sure you guys take your time with this and slowly build the color, because if you put on too much all at once, it's going to be hard to blend it out. So make sure you pack it on, blend it out, pack it on, and then blend it out. Next, I'm going to be picking up this Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow, single eyeshadow thingies, whatever you want to call it. It has a very tacky, sticky kind of a consistency, you guys. That's why I'm applying it on my eyelid as kind of like a base for the glitter that I'm going to be applying. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm kind of, I guess you can say, cutting the crease, but not really cutting the crease. It's like a messy cut crease, and yeah. So you guys, I've decided not to do a voiceover for the rest of the video, because I always do the same thing. The only difference was the little Wet n Wild eyeshadow thing I used for the base before I apply the glittery, shimmery eyeshadows, because it sticks a lot better. They don't move around. It's basically, I used the Wet n Wild as like a glitter glue, I guess you can say. So that's what I did there. The rest of the video, I basically do the same thing. The foundation, everything is basically my everyday routine that I always do. So yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you guys get notified every time I do upload. And see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.